Most developers fail at learning Rust because they try to memorize the theory before writing a single line of code. They read the entire documentation from start to finish, get overwhelmed, and quit. This is the wrong way. You need to treat Rust like a tool, not a textbook. In 2026, the landscape has changed. You don't need to suffer for 6 months to be productive. Here is the fastest roadmap to actually getting hired as a Rust developer. Step 1. Install Rust app and clone Rustlings. And listen closely. Don't binge watch a 4-hour tutorial. Passive watching is not learning. If your hands aren't on the keyboard, you aren't learning Rust. If you really need a very good introduction to get the basics down, I've left a link in the description for a great crash course 1 hour. Watch that to get the syntax, but then start typing. Finish the first 5 sections of Rustlings. It gamifies the pain, it forces you to read compiler errors. Step 2. You will hit the wall. This is ownership and borrowing. This is where 90% of the people give up. They try to write a linked list or a graph and they get destroyed by the compiler. My advice? Stop trying to fight it. When you hit the wall, stop coding for a day. Watch visual explanations, understand the stack versus the heap. If you don't understand why Rust does what it does, you will hate it. Once you understand why, you will love it. I'll leave a link in the description. Build a CLI tool. Don't start with a web server. Async Rust is complex. Lifetimes in web frameworks might be scary. Build grep. Build a tool that counts word in a file. Why? Because CLI tools are synchronous. They are linear. They let you practice logic without worrying about the complexity of an HTTP request cycle. Step 4. Use AI properly. In 2026, we have amazing LLMs, but do not ask the AI to write just the code for you. If you do that, you learn nothing. Instead, paste your compiler error into the AI and ask, explain to me like I'm 5 why the borrow checker is angry at line 42. Use the AI as a tutor, not a pilot. This speeds up the learning curve by 10x. Step 5. Now, read the documentation or debug. Now that you have written code, now that you have fought the compiler, the chapters on traits and smart pointers will actually make sense. They won't be abstract theory anymore. They will be solutions to problems you just faced. Step 6. Watch my playlist. And finally, if reading the documentation feels too heavy or dry, I have your back. I've created a dedicated playlist that covers the Rust book lessons one by one. I break down the concepts visually and show you the code in action, so you don't have to struggle through the text alone. It's the perfect companion to the official docs. Rust is not hard, it's just strict. It forces you to be a disciplined engineer. Follow this roadmap, Rustlings, CLI, Tutor AI, and use my playlist to guide you through the theory. You'll be a Rustacean in weeks, not months. I've linked all the resources below. Good luck. Ciao.